I would say we start with the first presentation, and I have here Alejandro with gift card gen.
So, with the small time that we had, I wanted to come up with something quick and maybe kind of fun. So what I came up with is a gift card creator, so you can give it some prompt, like for example, this one that I prepared. Ah. Yeah. Thanks. Is that better? Yeah. So basically, you just have this input, and then you say, like, for example, a thank you card for the assistance of the World Wide Web Hackathon using HONC. You give it this, and then it will start to generate some UI that it's meant to resemble some kind of card. And you can see as it's streaming the different parts of the UI. Let's try another one. A birthday card inviting you to my birthday Alewagon co-working space. So yeah, basically it creates that for you. I did deploy it, although this deployed version is having right now some issues with the database. But like we can try in the deployed version, and at least the AI generation should work. Yeah, maybe different results, different stuff, but. And for this, I'm using the D1 database also to, for example, here in the development version, you can see that for each card, we create just a new item. And for now, the card just contains the ID and the function. So the way that I'm doing this card generator is I'm telling the AI, so I pass this prompt, and then I tell the AI basically to generate some JSX with also some Tailwind. And when it comes to the code, it's this is the UI, so there's the chat input, then below we have the cards area, and then we have this JSX renderer, which is a component that uses the JSX parser library, which basically you give it. Yeah, sorry for that. Is that enough? Okay. Well, if you didn't see it before, it's just here's the chat input, then you have the cards area, and then you have the JSX renderer. The JSX renderer basically just takes a string that contains a JSX, and it renders it for you. You can also pass it different components, like for example, I'm using Lucid icons for this. And when it comes to the agent or the AI that it's doing this, I guess, I'm using the stream text from the Vercel AI SDK, and then I just have a system prompt that tells it what kind of code I want him to generate. So I'm telling it like only return JSX code, don't tell it. I'm also giving it some generation rules for the code, like use Tailwind, use Lucid, React, and stuff like that. And it basically just returns the JSX and we show it. And in addition, I'm also using the AI gateway just to monitor this, the AI calls and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it.
Cool. Big applause.